Today, let's see about variables, operators, and data types. Variables. Variable is a name to a memory location. It holds the value. For example, int I equal to 5. I is a variable that holds the value of 5. Variables have some set of rules. That includes variable should not be a reserved word, that is a keyword. It should not start with a letter or an underscore. Variables contains letters, numbers or underscore. No other special characters are allowed including spaces. Variables names are case sensitive, that is capital A and small a are different in variables. Now let us see about input and output, that is a scanf and printf function. Scanf gets an integer value from a user and store it under the name that variable A. In printf, the value present in variable A, it's print on the screen. Now let us see about operators and the precedence of an operator. These are all the operators that present in C. The lowest priority of operator is a comma and the highest priority of operator is increment and decrement. In case, for example, the same precedence of operators are present in an equation, we have to see the associativity. That is from right to left or left to right. For example, in one equation, the same multiplication and division and modulos are present means we have to solve it from left to right. Now let us see about data types and their ranges. These are all the data types that present in C. Character, int, float, double. Character occupies 1 bytes. Int occupies 2 bytes or 4 bytes depending upon the compiler. Float occupies 4 bytes, double occupies 8 bytes and long double occupies 10 bytes. Format specifier is used to print that data type, and we have some ranges to their respective data types. For character, the range is from -128 to 127. For int, 0 to 65535. These are all the ranges of data types. How to find ranges? To find ranges, for example, character occupies 1 bytes. 1 bytes equal to 8 bits. We have to find ranges by permutation and combination concept. Permutation means number of arrangement and combination means number of ways to select. In binary, there are two ways, that is 0 and 1. 1 bytes equal to 8 bits. So, 2 power 8 equal to 256. We have to split it from -128 to -1 and 0 to 127. So the range of character is -128 to 127. We have to find other data types like int, float, double by this way only. Then at last, memory occupied by each data type can be found using the size of operator. For example, size of char means the output will be 1 byte. Size of int means the output will be 2 bytes. That's all about variables, data types and operators. Thank you.